started. So step one, what we need to make is a little pinch pot. And to make a pinch pot, we need a ball of clay to make it from. So let's get a ball of clay. So here's some clay for you. Here's some clay for me. And we need to make it into a ball first, Di. Make it into a ball. So we go round, 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 make it into a ball.
Can you make it?
Yeah, sure. Make it into a ball.
Yours looks like a diamond.
Can you put it between your hands like this to make a ball? Or can you put it on the table to make it into a ball? There we go. Now to make it into a pinch pot, all you need to do is put it in your hand like so. Your lovely ball of clay, like that. Get your thumb.
That's my one.
Swapped again. Get your ball of clay and take a thumb and down into the ball of clay. Not all the way through we don't want to get a hole at the bottom. No. So all the way to the bottom.
Like this.
Like this. Take your 3 fingers on the side. Take your 3 fingers.
I used it for.
And press it so it's like a quacky duck. Quack, 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 quack. Like a quacky duck. All the way round and then turn it round. Can you see what I'm doing? One hand is holding it. The other hand is like a quacky duck. Squeezing my ball of clay all the way round. And look what's happening. I'm making a little pot. What's yours look like? Oh, fantastic. Keep going.
Mine's
all
going
the way around.
wonky.
Oh, can we keep going? Let's see what happens, because if we keep going, we'll make the pot bigger and bigger and bigger, and it'll be perfect.
Quack,
to
quack, quack,
quack,
quack,
quack. Want to swap? Want to swap? Let's swap again. We can make this into a lovely ball of clay.
Quack, 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 quack,
Once we've done that, then we let them dry, just for a little while, so they're dry enough for us to start building our animal faces onto. Yeah? Because mine's a bit squidgy right now. So let's put them to dry, shall we?
Yeah.
Put them to dry.
Put them to dry.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And then stage 2
Oh,
is
I forgot to make this.
we take a piece of clay, and we're going to make the head now. So tear off a piece of clay, a nugget of clay like this. Make it into a circle by rolling it in our hands again. There we go. And now this is going to be the head of the cat. So now I've got my ball of clay, just going to lightly tap it onto the table. And because she's making a doggy, you're going to make it into a circle and then create a cone shape, aren't you? Now I need to attach this onto the pot. Let's go. Cross hatch on the side of my pot where I want to put my head. And I'm going to cross hatch on the back of the head too, so they stick together like that. Get my slip. A slip's going to act like glue. Plop it on the 2 areas that are going to stick together. Line them up and just attach them and just press firmly. There we go. There's my head. Easy peasy. Make sure it's squashed on there, nice and firm. There's my cat's head all ready for the ears. So I'm going to take another little piece of clay, roll it into a ball, press it down, and this is where I need my knife, and I'm going to cut some triangles out now. Let's cut some triangle shapes out of the clay.
That looks like a bird's beak.
It does, doesn't it? And with my triangle shapes, these are going to be the cat ears. They're going to go on the top of the head. So I've got one. I need to make another one. Roll it into a ball.
Am I making ears?
Yes, you can. How would you make your doggy ears? What are your doggy ears going to look like? Long and fluffy ones? Like a sausage dog? You like sausage dogs, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're making the cat pot, then you need to make some triangles like that for the ears. So I've got 2 triangles for the cat ears. And the same thing again, attach it onto the head. I need to cross hatch. So I'm going to find the areas where the ears are going to go. I'm going to score that with a cross hatch there, which are lots of little crosses together. And the same on the ear. And the same on the other ear. And use the slip like glue. Plop, 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 plop. Make sure you put the slip on where you've cross-hatched and press it on the top. There we go. It's starting to come together. Here are the cat ears. There we go. Wonderful. You're getting on well. That's a lovely shape there. And I like the ears. Well done. Really good. Okay, and then after you've put the ears on, the next step is to make the cat's tail. So I'm going to take some more clay, roll it in my hands, put it on the table, and this time make it into a sausage. So to make it into a sausage, I need my 2 hands together and roll it into a long sausage.
I'm going to make another ear just like this one.
That's a perfect dog ear. Well done. This is my tail. What do you think of my tail?
That's very good.
Good luck, good cat's tail. And now I'm going to put it on the back of my pot. Let's figure out where that's going to go. Shall I have a straight one or a curly whirly tail?
Straight.
A straight. Oh, how am I going to do like that? There we go. That's my cat's tail. So now I know where it's going to go. I need to cross hatch where that's going to go. So I'm going to make a line.
My tail's going to be curled up.
Is it? A curly tail? How about a waggy one? Dogs love wagging their tails, don't they?
That's what I'm going to do.
How does a tail's wag? How does a dog's tail wag? How does it wag? When they're happy, they wag, don't they?
They wag. Wow, wow, wow.
They do.
Wow,
Plop, plop, plop,
wow.
plop, 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 plop. I'm ready for my tail now. Here we go. Here comes the cat's tail. I'm going to put it onto my pot. Oh, look at my cat's tail. What do you think?
What do you think my dog's is?
Perfect. They look perfect. Wow, really coming together.
Oh, yeah.
So we've made them. We've made our two wonderful, cute animal pots.
And you can add bones and fishes and eyelashes and spots and tails and
Yeah, you can
collars or whatever you want to your character.
You can add lots of new things on them, different things. Like I've added a collar to mine. And I've added feet, little cat's feet on mine. And look at your little feet on your doggy. She's made them so that the pot actually sits up slightly, which stands up. That's really cool. Look at my cat, it's got a little collar, a little bell, and I put some eyes and nose and some whiskers on my cat. I think you've done brilliantly, darling. I think you've done brilliantly. What do you think? Hey? You happy with your dog? I think that's a yes. Do you like my cat? So step 3 would be glazing them afterwards or painting them afterwards if you're using air dry clay. Can you get the cat that we've glazed already? Let's have a look.
This is kind of like Mummy's.
Yeah, this is like mine, isn't it? So it's a black and white cat I've done here with a little bell and some triangles for ears. But you can see how lovely and shiny it is when it's glazed. Or you could paint it if it's air dry clay.
Or you can't paint it because you want it to leave it like this.
Yeah.
But it won't feel as nice and it won't be as shiny.
That's right, yeah. If you leave the clay without any glaze or paint, it's quite dry. That looks quite nice actually. And then we've made little fish to go with it as well, haven't we? Hey? So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video about how to make lovely cute animal pots.
When are we going to paint it?
Well, we're going to wait for them to dry, put them in the kiln. It's going to fire up really, really high. And then when it comes out the kiln, we can glaze the pieces. Okay? And other animals that you could make, well, we've made lots of different animals here. We've made elephants and cats, doggies. We've made lots of different ones. Rabbits, all sorts. So I hope you try them yourself at home.
Should I go show them?
Well, maybe we can show them on the video, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Did you see the monkey hiding in the video? Rewind the video if you find it. Wow, 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 wow. Dee, dee, dee.